Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Windows 11 update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first thing first, before I show you how you can uninstall the Windows update, I'm going to show you my Windows version. I'm gonna press Windows icon and R and then type in WinVer or Windows version and click on OK. Alright, and this is my current Windows version and I'm going to uninstall it. So if you want to uninstall Windows Update, we can go to the setting. You can click on the start menu and just select setting. And here in the setting, you're going to open the Windows Update right here. Okay, and then you're going to go to the update history and scroll down until you find the uninstall updates option. And if you want to uninstall your update in Windows 11, you just need to click on uninstall right here. But I don't want to uninstall my Windows update, so I'm not gonna click on it. But if you want to uninstall, you just need to click on uninstall, and then after you uninstall the Windows update, you have to restart your PC. Alright guys, and that's all the way to uninstall Windows Update. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.